The ancient architecture of your nervous system is ready to remember its original design. The voltage of healing moves through you now, inevitable as dawn. This is your neural restoration ritual, 5 minutes of rewiring tension into liquid light. Return here whenever your system craves the sacred pause between heartbeats. Let each word dissolve another layer of accumulated charge. The voltage of healing moves through me now, inevitable as dawn, breaking across still water. I feel the ancient architecture of my nervous system awakening. Each nerve pathway remembering its original design. Inhale, exhale. I am the stillness beneath all movement. My nervous system flows like rivers, returning to their source, clear, purposeful, unobstructed. I release what no longer serves my highest frequency. Each breath rewrites the patterns within me, dissolving tension into liquid light. I am the calm eye of my own becoming. My body knows how to heal. It remembers the blueprint of perfect balance. I trust the intelligence that flows through every cell, every synapse, every sacred connection. The parasympathetic peace that is my birthright now claims its throne within me. I am grounded like ancient trees, rooted in earth, crowned in sky. My nervous system pulses with cosmic rhythm, aligned with the heartbeat of the universe. I release the need to hold what was never mine to carry. Each exhale dissolves another layer of accumulated tension. Each inhale draws in pure restoration. Inhale, exhale. I am the sanctuary my soul has always been seeking. The voltage of peace courses through my neural pathways, rewiring me for wonder, recalibrating me for calm. I am both the storm and the stillness after, complete in my power to transform. My nervous system dances with divine intelligence, each impulse a note in the symphony of my healing. I trust the ancient wisdom that flows beneath thought, the knowing that needs no words. The charge of vitality moves through me with perfect precision, lighting up pathways of possibility. I am the bridge between tension and release, gracefully choosing softness over struggle. My body is a temple of electromagnetic harmony, each cell vibrating at the frequency of wholeness. The sacred pause between heartbeats holds infinite potential for renewal. I breathe in restoration. I breathe out resistance. Inhale, exhale. The neural networks of peace are strengthening within me, creating new channels for serenity to flow. I am the master of my internal climate, choosing calm like sunrise chooses light. My nervous system remembers its original song, the melody of effortless ease. Each moment of conscious breathing rewrites the code of my cellular memory. I release the mythology of survival into the truth of thriving. The parasympathetic palace within me opens its gates, welcoming waves of deep restoration. I am the voltage and the void, the current and the calm. My nervous system flows like liquid starlight, illuminating pathways I had forgotten existed. The healing that moves through me now is older than memory, deeper than thought. I trust the intelligence that beats my heart, breathes my lungs, heals my wounds without my intervention. Inhale, exhale. The sacred geometry of my nervous system aligns with cosmic order. Each connection a point of light in the constellation of my becoming. I am the still point around which all healing revolves. The voltage of restoration moves through me now, inevitable as gravity, gentle as morning mist. My nervous system pulses with the rhythm of renewal, each beat writing a new story of resilience. I close this ritual knowing the healing continues in the spaces between words, in the silence between breaths. The transformation is complete,